Welcome to this Boris Light training video. In this session, we'll walk you through the final configuration process for the Boris pricing module in the Boris Professional portal. In the previous videos, we uploaded pricing data for each category. Now, we'll connect that pricing to specific locations and then test to confirm everything is configured correctly. Let's begin by linking the pricing we've set up to each location. For this example, we'll start with the passive fire stopping location. Click into the location, open the Pricing tab, and press Edit. Under the Pricing model, select Job 4, Rates. As mentioned earlier, the system requires at least two key inputs, a productivity rate and a sell rate. The cost rate is optional, but in this example, we'll include it. For the fire stopping location, select the following: FS Fire Stopping Productivity Rate, Sell Rate, FS Cost Rate. You'll also notice a multiplier field, which defaults to 1. This value controls the rate adjustment. For example, setting it to 1.1 applies a 10% uplift to all rates. Once you've entered the details, click Save. The system will take a few seconds to update the profile. Next, let's set up what's called an installation type list. This list contains only the products relevant to a specific installation type, in this case, fire stopping. By default, the system shows all products from the master list. However, for a fire stopping site, you don't need to see unrelated items, such as HVAC components or cleaning products. To create the install list, go to any of the sell, cost, or productivity rate areas. In this example, we'll use the Sell Rates tab. Click the hyperlink button to create a new list. Name it FS Install List 2025. This generates a list containing only the fire stopping products. Now go back to your customer setup, for example, customer ABC, and open the passive fire stopping location again. Under the Pricing tab, add the install list. Type FS to find and select FS Install List 2025. With this applied, operatives on site will now only see fire-stopping products relevant to their work, not the full master list. This step is important. If the install list is left blank, the operative might select products that don't have matching rates, causing pricing errors. Now that we've completed fire stopping, let's repeat the process for the remaining areas: doors and HVAC. To create an install list for doors, go to the Sell Rates area and create a list named Doors Install List 2025. Do the same for HVAC, creating HVAC Install List 2025. You only need to create these lists once, as long as your rates are in place. Next, we'll finish configuring pricing for these two locations. Start with the HVAC location. Open the site, go to the Pricing tab, and press Edit. Then select HVAC Productivity Rate, HVAC Sell Rate, HVAC Cost Rate. Set the multiplier to 1, and under the Install List, search for and select HVAC Install List 2025. You'll also notice two additional options, one for rounding up meter lengths and another for partial quantities. For this training, we'll leave those as they are. Save your changes to complete the setup. Finally, configure the doors location. Open the site, go to the Pricing tab, and click Edit. Select the following: BMT, Productivity Rate, BMT, Doors, Sell Rate, BMT, Doors, Cost Rate. Multiplier set to 1, and add the Doors Install List 2025. Save your configuration. That completes the final setup for your pricing module configuration. From this point, all locations have their pricing, cost, and productivity rates correctly linked, and operatives will only see relevant products in their install lists. If you'd like to explore the advanced settings, such as rounding rules or custom workflows, please contact the Boris support team. They can assist or coordinate with our implementation department for further configuration if needed. Thank you for watching this Boris Light training video.